Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi and welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. And children, we are doing chapter 10th 9th class from NCERT book, that is Circle. And today we are going to solve exercise 10.2. Before solving the questions from exercise 10.2, we will discuss about some basic topic, that is number one, congruent figure. So about the congruency you have already learned in chapter 7, triangle. Okay. So about the congruency, a general definition is two figure, if they have exactly same shape and size, then they are said to be congruent to each other. So we have learned the congruency in triangles. So now we'll before solving the exercise, we'll discuss about the congruency in circle. So we all know the shape of all circle is same, that is circular. And so what should be the condition for circle so they can be congruent? So we can say two circles are congruent if their radius is equal. Here we have two circles, circle A and circle B. So the condition for two circles, they are congruent, their radius should be equal. So as we know the shapes are same, it is circular, it is circular. So if their radius is same, then we will say both are congruent circles. Okay. So if two circle have same radius, then they are congruent, and we will say two circle are congruent if their radii are equal. So this is the congruency in circle. So our exercise 10.2 is totally based on it. So these are we can use as theorem also. It is in exercise 10.2 it is given as question. So we will discuss about the exercise 10.2. The question from exercise 10.2, first question is, recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. Prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their center. So बच्चे, this type of theorem we have solved earlier in theorem 10.1, but it was in a one circle. So in a same circle we have given two chords, and the chords were equal, but it was in a one circle. But in this question number 1, it is given that we have two congruent circles, that means we have two different circles. So now how we will solve these questions, let we discuss about it. Okay, we have given two circle. In first circle, AB chord and its radius is R1, center is O1, and the angle subtended by chord AB at the center O1 is angle 1. Similarly, we are taking in circle 2, chord is PQ, radius is R2, center O2, and the angle subtended by chord PQ at center O2 is 2. That means AB chord is subtending angle 1 at center, and PQ chord subtending angle 2 in second circle. Okay, so this thing I have written about circle 1 and circle 2, that is given to us. And one more important thing we have given, the both chords are equal. Okay, that means AB is equal to PQ. So chords are equal we have. And we have to prove that the chords are equal and they both subtending equal angle at the center, and the circle 1 and circle 2, they are congruent. It means, and as we discussed earlier, If the circle are congruent, then their radius will be equal. So R1 is equal to R2. Okay, so we are considering R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R. Means both the radius are equal and chord AB is equal to PQ. It is also given to us. Now we have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to prove that the angle subtended by AB at O1 angle 1, PQ at O2 angle 2, and angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So that means we have to prove the chords are subtending equal angle at their centers. So we are taking in triangle AO1B and PO2Q. So let's we'll see from the figure, as R1 and R2 are equal. So O1A is equal to B to P. Okay, both are R. O1B is equal to O2Q. Again both are R. This is R1, this is R2, and R1 is equal to R2. And AB equal to PQ. It is also given, the chords are equal. So by SSS congruency rule in these two triangles, we can say triangle AO1B and triangle PO2Q both are congruent to each other. Okay, so by CPCT we can say angle 1 and angle 2 is equal to. If we are clear about the congruency, so it is not a very big thing to understand ki how we are saying by SSS congruency rule both the triangle are congruent, and hence we can get angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So the same thing we have to prove, means chords are equal, triangle circles are congruent, then the equal chords subtending equal angle at the circle. So hence we have proved it. Okay. So this is question first from exercise 10.2 is clear. Now the question second from the exercise 10.2, prove that if chords of congruent circles subtend equal angle at their centers, then the chords are equal. Means the second question is converse of the first question. In this we have given chords are subtending equal angle, and then we have to prove chords are equal, and one thing is common in both the questions, circles are congruent. That means we have to take two different circles. Okay, now let's we'll discuss about this question and how we will solve it. Again we are taking two circles, circle 1 and circle 2. In the both circles we have given that the circle 1 and circle 2 are congruent, that means their radii are equal. R1 is equal to R2. This is R1, and in circle 2 we are taking radius as R2. Center is O1, center O2. Two chords we have A, B and PQ. In this we have given that these two chords are subtending equal angle at the center of the circle, and the circle are congruent. Okay, so we have to prove AB is equal to PQ, means we have to prove that the chords are equal in this case. Means this question is converse of question number 1. So what we have given, I am writing circle 1, center O1, radius R1 and chords AB, and the angle subtended by AB at O1 is angle 1. Similarly, I am taking in circle 2, center O2, radius R2, chords PQ. Angle subtended by PQ at O2 is equal to angle 2. Means ये जो chords है, it is forming an angle 2 at the center. Okay. In this we have given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In the question it is given that the chords are subtending equal angle at the center. Okay. So as circle 1 and circle 2 are congruent, so the radii of both the circle will be equal, and I am considering it as equal to R. We have to prove that chords are equal. Okay, so we are taking in two triangles. Which two triangles we are taking? Let's see in the figure. AO1B, PO2Q. Okay, AO O1 is equal to PO2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is given that O1B is equal to O2Q. It is also given both are the radius and radius are equal. So by side angle side congruency rule, both the triangle are congruent, and by CPCT we can say AB equal to PQ. Okay, so this is the solution. So children, if your congruency is clear, so it is not a very big task and big problem to prove these type of theorems and to solve these type of questions. Okay, so at the last I am writing the statement: if chords of congruent circles subtending equal angle at the center, then chords are equal. Okay.